Hi everybody, my name is Dane. I'm here today to talk to you about this exhaust gasket kit made by our friends at BLOX Racing, part number BXFL-50050-EJ. And this is for fitment for all EJ Turbo model cars. So 04 to 21 STI, 02 to 14 WRX, Legacy GT, Outback XT, Forester XT, Baja, you name it. And so we'll just go over what all it comes with. So you have your cylinder head to exhaust manifold or header connection point. Obviously you get two of them. You get your, this is your header to up pipe and up pipe to turbo connection. You have your crossover tube gaskets, and then you have your turbo to downpipe gasket, and then to top it all off, BLOX includes a 3-inch catback gasket. So the construction on these are made from a 6-layer, multi-layer steel gasket, and you have a 304 stainless fire ring in the center. And to make these gaskets seal perfectly, just be sure to make sure that the connection points are completely flat, completely clean. There's no ridges or anything like that. For MLS gaskets to seal perfectly, that's all that there is to do. You just have to make sure that both sealing surfaces are completely flat, completely clean, with no debris or anything like that on it. And of course, once you tighten them down, they crush, and that's where they seal. So if you are looking to redo the exhaust gaskets on your car, if you have a leaky exhaust somewhere, or if it's just been a while and you're just looking to freshen things up, this is an excellent kit to get. It comes with all the gaskets that you'll need, and we keep tons of them here available at importimageracing.com.